Hey guys, this is the pergola we built. I want to give you the process and the steps that we took in order to build this beautiful archway in the garden. First step, we had to mill some wood. These are homegrown pine trees from our own backyard. We mill it, and now we're in the process of fine-tuning the cuts. At this point, we're doing the 4x4s. Those are the 4 pillars that we need in order to create the archway. We've already got some cut. This is just fine-tuning the details, making it the length we want it to be. This is the first post. And a couple more to go. Look at the beautiful structure of the rings around the tree. He's doing a great job of cutting.
That's going to be in the ground, and then it's going to come up this way and then around that way.
Alright, so looking at it, this will be the bottom, and the archway will extend upward. This will be another post that will go into the ground. Those are the 4 beams. Finally got them cut. Now we are getting ready to put the post into the ground. We've got the 4 corners, the 4 posts to the corners. This will be the first one that will go in. Those posts look a lot heavier, feel a lot heavier than they look. Sure it's lining up correctly. Second post, third post. We are working on the 4th post. And now the 4 posts are in, and we've got the top section in. Just taking a little break. It was a hot day. Looks really nice from afar. Here's a wider angle of where the arch will be. we are putting the top part of the arch up. We're having to use the tractor to stand up because we didn't want to get the ladder out. Tractor is very useful. This is the point where we are now scorching the wood just to make sure it's weathered. That way it can withstand the weather a lot better. We just have a propane tank and a torch. I'm going to light it up and then do a light torch around the archway, making sure we get all the wood. You can see the difference between the side that's been scorched and the side that's not. It gives you that dark look. Do this all to the 4 posts along with all of the section pieces of the wood. This is another way of treating the wood. If you're using fresh wood, if you buy the store-bought wood, it's already been pre-treated, so you won't need to do this. Hey guys, this is the finished product. It's beautiful. It adds that height to the garden, which is very much needed. I love the way it looks. Such a great addition to the garden. That's it everybody. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.